Here is how I made a professional logo. No design skills, no fancy software, just AI in 5 minutes. Let's do it. I don't know about you, but in the past I've spent tons of time and money trying to design logos on my own. But now you can do it for free with ChatGPT and a few simple prompts. So one of the first things you have to do is tell ChatGPT to act in the role that you're looking for. So we're going to tell ChatGPT to act as the best graphic designer in the world. That's step one. By the end of this video, you'll see how to make a professional logo with ChatGPT for free in under 5 minutes. So next we're going to put in a little bit of detail about what we want, the style, the colors, as much detail as possible. So if you need to make some adjustments, you have a little information that you can adjust to get the logo that you want. Again, this is a free tool that we're working with. So obviously if we were using a paid tool, it would be a little bit better. It would be a little bit smarter. So we're creating a logo for family law firm, a mock family law firm, just to get an idea of what it would look like and how you can go about creating a logo for yourself. So I like to create a logo for my family law firm. I like to use navy blue as the main colors, minimal. I'm also going to ask what information chat needs from me in order to accomplish the task. So the name, brand personality, logo style, font personality, and it's outlining exactly what those things mean if you're not familiar with it. Do you want a symbol? Do you want imagery? Do you want letters or text? So these are good prompts that it's giving you so you can tell it exactly how you want your logo laid out and the style that you're looking for. So with Shad and Associates, the name that I went with, I want to convey calmness and trustworthiness, and I'd like something timeless and simple. So let's just pause there real quick. Follow the KISS method. Keep it simple, stupid. Pay attention to Google, Nike, FedEx, some other big brands that you might be aware of, Amazon. The logos are not busy. You can easily change the colors based on season. The logos are also versatile, meaning the Nike logo can be used on any shoe. The Amazon logo has been used to sell books, sell items, Amazon Prime, which is now a TV station. So they didn't box themselves in and say Amazon Books. So keep that in mind when you're creating your logo, that the company could evolve later on. So don't box yourself in by adding too much information into the logo, too many different words. Think of it as a symbol. So lots of information they're asking here. Do some research, hop on to Google if something's unclear, or just go back and tell ChatGPT to pause. Pause, back up. What does this mean? What does that mean? Ask questions. It's your graphic designer. So we're going to go with the classic word mark and a monogram. Yes, I want the ampersand. The ampersand sign. Okay, let's see what's going to happen here. This is a free version of ChatGPT. So I'm limited in what I can do, and I use this often, so it may be a bit tired at the moment. So it's generating the logo now. Let's see what it's going to do. Let's see what it comes up with. A free logo in 5 minutes from ChatGPT. We're almost there. We are almost there. So I think next what we'll do is jump into a paid piece of software, very, very inexpensive, and we will recreate the same logo, or maybe we'll do something different just to show you a different way and a different tool to accomplish the same task. Okay, that's it. We've got the RNA, Rashad and Associates. I think it looks relatively professional for a 5-minute logo. It is usable. And the way that I think about these things is minimum viable product. Like if you're just getting started and you haven't made a penny yet, then you want to go in without spending any money if you can, just to get started, just to see how things go, move in a lean way. So here we have it, a logo in 5 minutes or less, maybe a little more than 5 minutes, but I think you get the idea. So stay tuned for the next video. We are working on a series where we build a funnel to attract family law attorneys. This is going to be our first target audience for the funnel. Okay, stay tuned.